You know, we used to say, here today, and what about tomorrow? Gone tomorrow. It's no longer like that. Here today, gone later the same day. That's how it is. How many have we heard there with us and suddenly, whoa, what happened? I don't know, sudden, Allahu Akbar. It's going to happen to me, it's going to happen to you. How do you prepare? It's a little bit scary. But when you have Iman, it's not scary. It's reassuring. Oh Allah, take me when you're happy with me. The Prophet ﷺ used to say, oh Allah, keep me alive for as long as you know that life is good for me. Take me away when you know that it's better for me to go. Can you make that dua? May Allah make it easy for us. What will happen to everything that you leave behind after you're gone? Well, I tell you, better things than those that happened while you were around, perhaps. May Allah grant us goodness. So my brothers, my sisters, we have no guarantee. Turn to Allah. If you would like to prepare for death, one of the best ways is seek the forgiveness of Allah. And together with that, change your life. You must be strong. And every time you falter, come back. Don't let anyone make you think, you know, you sought forgiveness, you fell. You sought forgiveness, you fell. You sought forgiveness, you fell. You are running a race, my brothers, my sisters. The idea is to finish that race. Even if you fell 20 times in the process, you got up again, walked. You got up again, walked. One day you will cross that finish line and Allah will be pleased with you. Why? Because you continue to turn to Allah. Alima abdi anna lahu rabban ya'khudhu bidhanbi wa yaghfiruhu. Ushhidukum anni ghafartu lah. According to one narration, Allah Almighty boasting to the angels saying, you see this worshipper of mine constantly seeking forgiveness, falling back into it unplanned. Seeking forgiveness, falling back into it unplanned. Seeking forgiveness, I want you to bear witness that he believes he has a Lord who can punish him or forgive him, so I'm forgiving him. That's Allah. The mercy. The mercy of Allah is a topic on its own. May Allah Almighty grant us true forgiveness.